Are you looking for the best sheets ever? My name is Hannah with WTI, and I have found them. These are the 100% Viscose from Bamboo Queen Sheet Set by Popfavor. I was tired of waking up feeling hot and sweaty, but with these sheets, they are extra breathable, moisture wicking, and so they keep me cool. And I have not had a problem waking up sweaty since I put these on. It is so great. They're also so soft, it almost feels like you're laying on silk. They are incredible. It says these are for a queen UK standard. We live in the US and it fits our queen bed just fine. I love that it allows for a tall mattress so you don't have to worry about it not covering your whole mattress and then it popping up all the time. I also love the extra touch on the pillow, the decoration. It just adds a little bit of flair to some basic sheets. I have absolutely loved these. I don't want to sleep on any other sheets because these feel so good to climb into bed. So if you want to wake up feeling cool and refreshed, like me, try these out. But that's just my point of view.